Have you ever bought clothes online? I've bought clothes online. I've never bought clothes online. Have you ever bought groceries at a farmer's market? I've bought groceries at a farmer's market. I've never bought groceries at a farmer's market. Have you ever bought a gift for a friend's birthday? I've bought a gift for a friend's birthday. I've never bought a gift for a friend's birthday. Have you ever bought a souvenir from a trip? I've bought a souvenir from a trip. I've never bought a souvenir from a trip. Have you ever bought concert tickets in advance? I've bought concert tickets in advance. I've never bought concert tickets in advance. Have you ever bought a book from a bookstore? I've bought a book from a bookstore. I've never bought a book from a bookstore. Have you ever bought electronics from an online store? I've bought electronics from an online store. I've never bought electronics from an online store. Have you ever bought flowers for a special occasion? I've bought flowers for a special occasion. I've never bought flowers for a special occasion. Have you ever bought a pet from a breeder? I've bought a pet from a breeder. I've never bought a pet from a breeder. Have you ever bought a ticket for public transportation? I've bought a ticket for public transportation. I've never bought a ticket for public transportation. Have you ever bought snacks at the movie theater? I've bought snacks at the movie theater. I've never bought snacks at the movie theater. Have you ever bought art from a local artist? I've bought art from a local artist. I've never bought art from a local artist. Have you ever bought a new phone? I've bought a new phone. I've never bought a new phone. Have you ever bought a lottery ticket? I've bought a lottery ticket. I've never bought a lottery ticket. Have you ever bought furniture for your home? I've bought furniture for my home. I've never bought furniture for my home. Have you ever bought a snack from a vending machine? I've bought a snack from a vending machine. I've never bought a snack from a vending machine. Have you ever bought ingredients to bake a cake? I've bought ingredients to bake a cake. I've never bought ingredients to bake a cake. Have you ever bought concert merchandise at a show? I've bought concert merchandise at a show. I've never bought concert merchandise at a show. Have you ever bought a car from a dealership? I've bought a car from a dealership. I've never bought a car from a dealership. Have you ever bought tickets for a theme park? I've bought tickets for a theme park. I've never bought tickets for a theme park.